East Coast TCG here. Sorry, I've been busy working on our house, moving stuff around. I don't really have my space where I usually record at the moment. So here I am in the morning, just before work. I'm actually at work right now. Just pulled up. Anyway, so our 30 sub giveaway happened. I messaged the only person that was that had commented at the time and said, well, I guess you win the pack. And he came back and said, he would rather it go to the next video and be re-given away to someone else. So I'm gonna give that pack away along with the 40 sub giveaway, which is a 3-pack giveaway. So one person will get 1 pack from that one, and one person will get 3 packs. But yeah, I wanted to at least give you guys something here, because it's been a while. It's been just over a week, I think, right around there. Anyway, I got 3 packs. Sorry I don't have more. I'm waiting for a couple boxes to come in, and I will be doing a full excuse me, a full box opening. I'm not sure of what. It'll either be Throne of Eldraine or Core 20. I mean, is it Core 20? Yeah, Core 20. Alright, here we go. Anyway, enough of me rambling. Alright. Catch Triumph. Not bad. Not bad. Sorry about this. I mean, like, I'm working with such a small spot here. It's like literally just my center console. Man. Times are hard. Times are tough right now. We had a big party at our house for a graduation over the weekend. And, the table that I usually use for this was used for the party, and we haven't gotten to packing everything back up yet. And yeah, I'm hoping pretty soon I have my regular spot. Okay, turtle guy. Any Snowflakes. Alright, well, I mean, hopefully I get something a little spicy in this pack. Come on. Here we go. What can we get out of this last pack? I mean, for you guys, I'm hoping it's something nice. No, it's not nice at all. Alright, well, sorry this was such a lackluster... Oh, there's a full art. Such a lackluster opening. I'll be trying to get more going here. I just gotta get everything situated at the house. And, yeah. Hopefully I'll be back in the swing of things soon here. But, thanks for watching. I gotta go to work now, so see you guys.